It's time to eat. But I don't want to eat it. You can count on us. We will help you make delicious and nutritious meals. Beef. I am beef. I can make you stronger. Please help me turn into delicious beef dumplings. Hello, Mr. Doe. I would like to invite you to turn into beef dumplings together. Sure, would love to help. Knead the large dough first. Look, it turns into small doughs. Hello! We want to turn into beef dumplings. Would you like to join us?
Whoa! It's so much fun! We would like to join you.
The small doughs are gonna have some nutritious vegetable juice. Wow! The small doughs have changed colors. The small doughs are ready to become dumpling wrappers. Let's start making dumplings. Great! You've made a nice-looking dumpling. The dumplings are ready to go down a slide. It's time to eat. Wow, the beef dumplings taste great. I get to love beef. It's so delicious and nutritious.